Good morning guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we'll see how to stop the automatic Windows update process in Windows 10. This method is not only applicable for Windows 10 but Windows 8 and other versions of Windows. This method is a real solution. It's really irritating when Windows is doing its update process whenever you are busy, and those delayed resets is really time consuming. This method would help you to do the Windows update whenever you are ready or whenever you are agreed to do as per your time schedule. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch till the end. So let's start. Welcome back guys. First of all, we'll consider Windows 10. Here we will be using Windows services for stopping Windows automatic update process. For accessing Windows services, on run command or Windows search, type services.msc. Yes, now you can see the services window is opened. Now search for Windows Update Service from the list. Double click on that, you can see a new window. Here you can really configure Windows update process. You can start Windows update process, you can stop, you can even permanently stop, and again if you want you can switch it back. Here we consider how to permanently stop Windows update process. For that, on the startup type from the list you have to select disable. Yes, disable is selected. Now click apply button. That's all. After this, Windows will never do anything related to Windows update until you switch it back. For switching it back, just go to the startup type and make it automatic delayed start and click apply button. Same is the case with Windows 7 or Windows 8 or any other version of Windows. You have to just go to services and just make it disable. So guys, that's all in this video. This video has seen how to stop Windows automatic update process in Windows 10 or any other Windows version. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you know any other method for stopping Windows automatic update process, write in comment section. Thanks for watching.